Hello again and welcome to the BacksEDM YouTube channel. This episode is a very special one and one which I have really been looking forward to. 7 months ago I embarked on an MK2 redesign of my MK1 machine, and today, finally, it is the first time that the MK2 machine will actually machine a part. Okay, before I show the finished MK2 mechanics and the first workpiece, let's have a quick recap of the parts made so far in Fusion 360. Okay, we're over in Fusion 360 and here's my cab model. In the previous episode you saw the tank being finished, and in the episode before that I finished the base frame, and in episodes 5 through 16, so a lot of episodes, I worked on the C arc, which I finished in part 16. So the tank is finished, the frame is finished, and the C arc is finished. And the X and Y positioning mechanics, I'm going to reuse those from my MK1 design. They have not changed and they will do its job perfectly for the MK2 as well. So all parts have now been finished, and now it's just a matter of assembly and bolting everything together. And yeah, that's it. So let's have a look at how the final result turned out. Okay, so now you've seen the end result of the mechanics, and now it's time to make a nice part. So I looked at the statistics of the BacksEDM YouTube channel, and I noticed that 80% of the viewers are not subscribed. So I'm hoping that this workpiece might change that. So if you like the channel, then please show your appreciation. Okay, so I made this part, and I made it in such a way that I only need to thread it once. So I drill a pilot hole here, and then I can cut the whole sign in a single go. So I do not have an EDM drilling capability in my machine yet. I'm drilling a start pilot hole. And after the hole was drilled, I mounted the stock material in my MK2 machine and threaded the wire through the hole. And after threading, I pressed the Find Center button, and the machine then automatically finds the center of the hole and zeroes out the DROs. And so you can use the center of the hole as the origin. Okay, it's time to cut some metal. And here's the finished workpiece. Turned out really nice, super sharp edges. And the cutting speed in this 20mm thick aluminum stock was 10 millimeters per minute. Well, in fact, I was not pushing it. The machine can do faster than that. Here are some loose pieces that came out of the B and the R. So yeah, overall the MK2 is working out just as I hoped it would. Now that the MK2 is able to machine parts, you might think, well, what's next now? Well, actually, there's a lot of work still left to do. And the first thing to fix is the wire re-reeling setup. So the spent wire is now re-reeled onto a spool, but I don't like the way that works. You need to tie the ends together, and a wire chopper mechanism would be far nicer. And next, my MK1 water handling system. That's it turned into a bit of an abomination. It works great, but it's not nice, and it needs a complete overhaul. Okay, that's it for this video. This video is a bit shorter than normal. I left out some details because I think Werner Berry is doing a much greater job than I am at capturing all the details in his Wire EDM build series. So don't forget to head over to Werner's channel and check it out. He's making great progress. Now you might think, okay, what's up for Beck's EDM now that the MK2 is finished? Well, there are a lot of cool other videos coming up. Videos about wire chopper mechanism and a new water handling system. And also a nice video series about a retrofit of a Charmiel die sinking machine. So if you like this channel, you know what to do. See you next time.